Is it worth joining the Caravan and Motorhome Club and the Caravan and Camping Club? Let's explore. Hello and welcome back. We are members of the Caravan and Motorhome Club and we're currently on a beautiful CL site here in Suffolk. Check out my previous videos for a full site tour of this lovely CL site, which costs only £20 a night, and you also have access to a heated indoor swimming pool that you can hire as well for £20. Being a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, you also get access to their CL sites, certified location sites. Now we prefer these certified location sites. They tend to be on farms and we've featured many in videos that we think are hidden gems. They're around £20 to £30 a night with electric and with absolutely stunning views. And we think they're really good value. They're limited to only 5 pictures, which we think is lovely. It means they're a fantastic way to escape and chill out. Now we find that our membership for the Caravan and Motorhome Club is definitely worth it for us because you get a discount on the tunnel and ferries. And with that discount, we find that that covers the cost of our membership for the year. Also, if you are a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, you get discount on Red Pennant, which is the European breakdown cover and travel insurance. We actually haven't taken out Red Pennant before. We tend to find that European breakdown cover is cheaper for us, and we also have an annual travel insurance. But it's something to keep in mind if you are considering joining the club. Get a discount at a number of retailers if you are a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. Now, we are thinking, is it worth us also joining the Caravan and Camping Club? If you're a member of the Caravan and Camping Club, please do let me know why you think it's worth joining. If you are a member of both the Caravan and Motorhome Club and the Caravan and Camping Club, let me know why you've chosen to be members of both. I think we're definitely going to continue being members of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, but we are considering joining the Caravan and Camping Club, simply because there is the site in the Cotswolds at Chipping Norton, which is right next to Diddley Squat Farm. I don't know whether you're like us and you've been watching Jeremy Clarkson's farms, but we really enjoyed it and we'd like to visit there. And I've seen that the Caravan and Camping Club have got a site that is right next to Diddley Squat Farm, which would be absolutely perfect for there. But you have to be a member in order to book that site. So it does make then the price of staying there quite expensive if we're having to pay our membership fee for the Caravan and Camping Club as well as our pitch fees for our stay there. But is it going to be worth it? Looking on the Caravan and Camping Club website, you still get discount on the ferries and tunnels. It'll be interesting to compare which one you get more discount on, or if it's just exactly the same discount you get for both clubs on the tunnel and the ferry. And again, with the Caravan and Camping Club, you also get discount in other retail shops. And I noticed that when we visited the NEC show in February, if you're a member of the Caravan and Camping Club, you got to relax in their area and have free tea and coffee, which you didn't get with the Caravan and Motorhome Club. So that's another perk. I found that some of the sites though with the Caravan and Camping Club you can stay on and you don't need to be members. But obviously if you're a member you get it at a cheaper rate. But unfortunately for the Diddley Squat Farm, it looks like you have to be a member in order to book that one. Now with the Caravan and Camping Club, they have something similar to CL sites called CS sites. And I've started joining a few Facebook groups to see what CS sites people recommend. And they don't seem to be recommending very many CS sites. There's lots of CL sites that are recommended, but not so many CS sites. If you've stayed at a fantastic CS site, please do let me know in the comments below so I can check it out as well. Given up your membership of the Caravan and Motorhome Club because you find it no longer value for money, please do let me know in the comments below. I see lots of people now using PitchUp or booking direct with independent campsites, as they're finding now the price of the pitches through the Caravan and Motorhome Club extortionate. If you're finding that to be the case, please do let me know in the comments below. Maybe you've found some great independent sites which would be worth checking out. I hope you found this video useful. Please do let me know in the comments below which club you're a member of and why. Or if you're not a member of any of them, tell me why you've chosen not to be a member of them. And if you've not already subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing and liking. Your support is much appreciated. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for coming back. Many thanks for watching and take care.